Do you want to organize information from a web page into a table automatically? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a table feature in Writing Assist that can convert selected text into a structured table. Let me show you how. First, open a web page in Samsung Internet. Then select the text you want to organize. From the pop-up menu, tap Writing Assist icon. Then tap Table. In a moment, your phone converts the selected text into a table. Here, you can use several options. Edit to let you manually change the contents of the table. Transpose to switch the layout between titles at the top and titles on the left side. Copy to copy the table to your clipboard. And share to let you share the table as an image using your preferred method. For this example, let's tap Transpose. As you can see, the table layout changes. And that's how you turn text into a table in Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.